This is the Gosmilo LED light strips. The black connectors is for roadside. The white connectors is for front side. Now we will see how to change the LED. First, remove the footpad and the sensor board. And take out the light bulbs. And take out the LED. And then put back the new LED light strip and the connector here. Okay, then put back the light bulbs. And I start back the sensor board. Screw back and another footpad. And if you want to change the roadside, it's the same. You need to remove the footpad, the sensor board, and the front light pampers. And then, take out the bad LED light and replace the new one. Okay.